Boundary violations can be described as any action, interaction, attitude, or experience that interferes with the development of healthy responses or behaviors in another individual. Actions and interactions can be abusive without being continuous or profound. They are, however, always out of balance. Boundary violations may result from a one-time incident, an accumulation of experiences distributed over time, or even desirable behaviors that are taken to extremes.
Welcome to the Magic of Emotional Intelligence with Arlene R. Taylor, PhD, Brain Function Specialist.
Boundary violations do not exist in a vacuum. Every pathology has an ecology. Which comes first? An inappropriate boundary violation or a dysfunctional environment? My observation is that existing dysfunction allows boundary violations to occur. Although human beings are born with virtually no boundaries, each normal, healthy individual has the ability to learn to set healthy limits, a process that ideally should begin at a very early age. Children absorb information about boundaries from watching their care providers, parents, and other role models. Unfortunately, children who experience boundary violations during childhood and adolescence can stop growing emotionally and become developmentally stuck. They are at higher risk for developing low self-worth, obsessive-compulsive behaviors, and addictions. Boundary violations can trigger fear, anger, and sadness. In some perverse way, the abuse can sometimes bind the victim to the abuser, producing a strange type of brainwashing, wherein the victim assumes responsibility for somehow causing the abuse. Some even develop a false sense of gratitude or even of responsibility toward the offender. They are more likely to have boundaries that are too tight or too loose, either of which can make them more likely to experience abuse. In adulthood, individuals need to identify their existing boundaries, adjust or even reset them, develop those that are missing, and be willing to disclose them to others as part of their individual program of health and safety. Essential boundaries can include any aspect of a person's life. You may find it helpful to contact a counselor in boundary development and/or abuse to help you deal successfully with this essential part of your life.
Thank you for watching The Magic of Emotional Intelligence. Check out allmylinks.com/brainfunctionguru, and please subscribe to Dr. Taylor's YouTube channel, youtube.com/user/braingurutaylor.